ओके सो ये जो कंडीशन है ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन का कंडीशन है। हिंदी से एक्सप्लेन करो होगा वही पक्का ना। सो क्वेश्चन में ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन दिया है एंड दिस इज द थर्ड कंडीशन। ठीक है, फर्स्ट कंडीशन सेकंड कंडीशन मैं वीडियो ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ कॉपी कर दूंगा, डिस्क्रिप्शन ਚ एक्सप्लेन कर दूं क्योंकि तुम समझ आ गया। ठीक है, थर्ड कंडीशन इज नॉट क्लियर। सो थर्ड कंडीशन में क्या है, वी आर रिसीविंग एप्लीकेशंस फॉर 4 लाख शेयर्स, 4 लाख shares. Okay, company doesn't have 4 lakhs, company has only 1 lakh shares which they can issue.
हाँ जी।
Okay, so company can issue only 1 lakh shares. Okay, extra क्या है, extra है यहाँ पे 3 lakhs,
मैं कितना हो गया?
3 lakh
हाँ
shares, share applications,
हो गया।
share applications. इतना दिखा ठीक है,
बताओ।
share
पता नहीं।
applications. ठीक है, और क्वेश्चन बोल, क्वेश्चन की क्या नाम है, कितना कैंसिल कितना की कितना।
The director totally reject application for 2 lakh shares.
Okay, according to the question, out of 4 lakh share applications the company rejected
2 lakh shares.
2 lakh shares, 2 lakh share applications. So 2 lakh share applications are rejected. क्यों है rejected? ਜਿਹੜੇ rejected ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਜਾਣੇ, bank account. We have to repay. Okay, we have to repay. So this entry will be there in the transfer entry of share application. Share application की transfer entry में we have to repay. Okay, and it will be under bank account and bank account will be credited. Is it okay? लिख रहा हूँ मैं credited. Okay, continue reading the question.
Accept full applications for 80,000 shares.
Okay, out of 4 lakh share applications 80,000 share applications के लिए क्या हुआ, accept हो गया. Share applications are accepted. Accepted means allotment दिया जाएगा, shares दिया जाएगा. ठीक है, तो this will be under share capital account. Transfer कर देंगे इसके पैसे to share capital account. And why so? Because we are allotting shares. Allotting shares. Okay, continue reading the question.
And make a pro rata allotment on 20,000 shares.
Okay, for another 20,000 shares, we're making pro rata. Pro rata. कुछ नहीं करना, ये सिंपल है, मतलब इसका allotment कर रहे हो. We are allotting shares again on pro rata basis, means this is also under share capital account. Is it okay? ये भी credited होगा. Okay, so out of 4 lakhs 2 lakhs gone, remaining 2 lakhs.
2 lakhs.
Out of 2 lakhs 80 and 20 means 1 lakh issue कर दिया. तो is there anything else in the question और कुछ देता question?
The excess application money is to be adjusted towards allotment and call to be made.
Okay, so excess application money मतलब ये सब होने के बाद में जो भी एक्स्ट्रा शेयर्स के ऊपर, एप्लीकेशन शेयर्स के ऊपर पैसा है, ठीक है, that has to be adjusted towards allotment. Means 4 lakh minus 2 lakh minus 80 minus 20,000 क्या बच गया, 1 lakh शेयर एप्लीकेशंस के पैसे, शेयर एप्लीकेशंस के पैसे. Okay, this will be adjusted towards allotment account. Okay, समझ आ गया. अब एंट्री देखो, सबसे पहले we need to pass entries for application, and under application first entry is receiving entry. Okay, so receiving entry will be bank account debited to share application account. Is it okay? And then how many number of shares? 4 lakh. It's already there. Okay, 4 lakh. Into the amount of share application.
Five.
Share application rupees 5. So this gives you 20 lakh on the debit side and 20 lakh on credit side. Narration will be being share application money
Received.
received. Okay? Okay? Okay, direct method हो गया. Direct तो बाधा और same sum we didn't continue. Okay, आसमान अभी receive हो गया. Receive तो बाधा transfer. Okay, transfer entry. So transfer entry will be reverse of this and then share capital. So it will be passing share application account debited. Same amount will be here 4 lakh. जो ऊपर लिखा है वही आप यहाँ पे लिखना है. Rupees 5 means 20 lakhs. ये समझ आया? This has to be transferred. ये जो transfer entry है, everything is here. सारा का सारा ट्रांसफर में लेना है. तो सबसे पहले 2 lakhs के ऊपर रिजेक्ट हुआ तो विल रिटर्न बैक टू बैंक अकाउंट. रिटर्न होने के लिए 2 lakh शेयर्स. रिटर्न के लिए 2 lakh शेयर एप्लीकेशंस and for each application we have to pay rupees 5. Okay, so this is giving you 10 lakhs. Is it okay? Next, 80 and 20 together. So this makes 1 lakh shares which are being allotted, and we have to transfer this money to share capital account. Share capital account. Okay, and this will be how many?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. Because 80 plus 20,000 shares will make 1 lakh shares. Okay, amount will be same, rupees 5 again. Okay, and this will be
10
rupees
sorry 5.
rupees 5 lakhs. 1 lakh into 5 lakhs. Okay, and this last one 1 lakh. See, this is done. ये वाला यहाँ पे. This is also done. These two 80,000, 20,000 done. यहाँ पे. And now this one. Okay,
Share
1 lakh. तो ये क्या हुआ? Adjust हुआ. Adjust हुआ towards allotment. So we have to adjust towards allotment. So write share allotment account. Okay, and how many? Again 1 lakh. 1 lakh share applications into rupees 5. That is 5 lakhs. So इसका adjustment कैसे करेंगे? When we are okay, let's write the narration for this first. Being share application money transferred. ये ट्रांसफर हुआ, पहले इसका बात कर रहे हैं. ट्रांसफर टू शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट ऑन 1 lakh shares at the rate of rupees 5. You can write that. Is it okay? Comma. Rejected 2 lakh share applications. Okay? So write comma. Rejected 2 lakh share applications. Reject हुआ तो refund करना पड़ेगा. Share applications and refunded for, so same thing you'll write, for 2 lakh shares at the rate of rupees 5 you'll write here. And this is also done. And adjusted excess application money towards allotment. And adjusted excess application money, ये तो excess है ना. देखिए ये तो रिजेक्ट हो गया, ये ट्रांसफर हो गया, तो बाकी जो बचा वो एक्सेस हो गया. एक्सेस एप्लीकेशन मनी टुवर्ड्स अलॉटमेंट. तो अलॉटमेंट के लिए पैसे देने की जरूरत नहीं है. ओके, मतलब सारे नहीं, ठीक है, कुछ अमाउंट एडजस्ट करने के बाद में ही आपको पे. ओके, सो दे विल नॉट कॉल यू फॉर द होल अमाउंट, बट दिस अमाउंट व्हिच दे हैव ऑलरेडी रिसीव्ड दे हैव ऑलरेडी एडजस्टेड. ठीक है, towards allotment on, you write this again, this one, on 100 shares at the rate of rupees 5. हो गया? इतने तरीके समझ आ गया? पक्का? ओके. Now due entry will be same. Is it okay? As you giving me due entry. So now we are done with application 2 entries. Now due entry.
Finish.
So I'll show you due entry for allotment. So that will be just like your transfer entry. So you write share allotment account debited, okay, to share capital account. Okay, ड्यू एंट्री हमेशा से, ठीक है। और कितने शेयर्स है जड़े तू अलॉट करने? कंपनी हैज ओनली 1 लाख शेयर्स, कंपनी हैज ओनली 1 लाख शेयर्स टू बी इशूड। ये याद रखना, नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स टू बी इशूड 1 लाख। सो विल बी काउंटिंग ऑन 1 लाख at the rate of rupees. Now we have to check what is the allotment money, and in the question it is given rupees 7.50. So this will be making 7,50,000. 7,50,000. And narration will be being share allotment money made due. Being share allotment money made due on 1 lakh shares at the rate of rupees 7.5. ओके, समझा? वीडियो रिकॉर्ड होगी तो उसके बाद रिवाइंड करके भी देख सकता है, ठीक है? समझ लगी? On receiving entry. Now receiving entry. So when we are receiving, it will be bank entry. Okay, bank account debited. But we know कि allotment already मिल गया पैसे, ठीक है? Some amount we have already received. So we have to write here that during application time, okay, allotment money was received. So we have to mention during share application time, or share application money has been already adjusted towards allotment. So we write share application account debited. यहाँ पे ये क्रेडिट था, इसके लिए आपको यहाँ पे डेबिट करना, ठीक है? And we cannot write same name again allotment. You have to write this. This is credited to what? To share application. So we'll write share application. Is it okay? And what is the amount? 5 lakh. So I'll write here 5 lakh is being already received. Is it okay? And I have to write this in the receiving entry. Write to share allotment account, and same thing, that is 1 lakh into 7.5. Is it okay? So we were asking our shareholders to pay 7,50,000, okay, out of which we have already adjusted 5 lakh. ठीक है, समझ आया? 7.5 लाख was the total amount due on allotment, मगर एप्लीकेशन टाइप पे ही हमने ऑलरेडी एडजस्ट कर लिया था 5 lakhs, तो we have to write here. And now we will receive only 2,50,000. How I'm getting this? This minus this debit value, it will give you 2,50,000. So we will be receiving only 2,50,000, not 7,50,000, क्योंकि एप्लीकेशन टाइम पे ही allotment money adjust किया था, या excess application money adjust किया था, that is 5 lakhs. समझ आया? बाकी entries remain same for first call, second call, final call. It will remain same. Due entry, receiving entry, due entry, receiving entry, because there is nothing else given in the question. समझ आ गया? और इसका narration same रहेगा again. Like being share allotment money received, okay, after adjusting excess share application money for 5 lakh, hence we are receiving only 2,50,000 rupees. Is it okay? ऐसा करके लिख लेना, खत्म, done. Okay? करो